So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Chatgpt app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para sa mga Android users, i-open lang natin ang ating Google Play Store. So, pagka-open guys, dito sa Google Play Store, itap lang natin or pumunta lang tayo sa search bar. So, dito sa search bar, type natin yung Chatgpt. Then, search. And ayan guys, piliin lang natin dito yung application ng Chatgpt. So, kung hindi pa updated yung inyong Chatgpt app, update yung nakalagay dyan. Pero kung updated na guys, open na lang yung nakalagay. So, since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update para ma-update muna sa ating mobile phone. And wait natin guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan guys, after ma-install, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. Ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, updated na yung ating Chatgpt app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng Chatgpt. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.